Hi friends, after a long time we are making a video on a very important topic, that is which tool to use to visualize data sets, to visualize our reports or to visualize our results in data analysis or business analysis. Let us see what tools we are having and which tool is best for our needs. Basically we have two ways to visualize data. The first one is using Python libraries. This we will using matplotlib, etc., scikit-learn, etc. And the second major way to visualize data sets is using dashboard tools. Those are Power BI and Tableau. These are the tools to visualize data. Power BI is by Microsoft and Tableau is by our Amazon. You can say AWS services. So these are the two major ways to visualize data. We will discuss in detail these two methods. When we are talking about Python, we need to structure that data in Python sets using NumPy, and then we will use uh, pandas, and then we will use matplotlib. These all are libraries by Python used for different purposes. Actually, NumPy and pandas are used to clean the data or to transform the data in our needed structures, and then this library matplotlib will be used to make charts or make reports out of that data set. If our data is in Excel form or in SQL tables or in NoSQL data set, then we need to convert these or convert our data set into NumPy and Pandas structures. So this is the main roadmap to make charts using Python. Which charts I am talking about? We are basically talking about charts like pie chart, bar chart, line chart, donut chart, histogram, etc. And combining these all, we will get some outputs or insights from our data set, which will grow our business or grow our client's business. So this is the old use of data visualization using Python. We also have a second method, which is using tools which are majorly used for data visualization only. Tools are Power BI and Tableau. These are the tools. We have to select one out of these two according to our needs, and then the tool will help us to make charts and reports. We will discuss which tool to use, what are the differences between them, and what are similarities between them, so that we can choose which tool to learn, and we can save our time according to our needs. Now, some points are there which differentiate these two tools. The, the points can be time complexities in both these, cost complexities, number of charts we can make, filters we can use, calculations, connectivity with cloud. These are the points which we need to see before choosing our tool, which tool we need to learn. So now we will discuss these all points in detail. Here let us see first how the tool Tableau public looks like. Here I am having my account. This is a this is a dashboard made by Tableau public. These charts are made by Tableau public tool. This is a basic data set which was taken from some platform. This is a data set used to denote Udemy business analysis. This is a online edtech business. We took their data and we did some analysis. This was the public data set. So here are some charts made by this tool, and we can filter them, we can recalculate them. So this was the example of Tableau public tool. And similarly, we are having Power BI. Here is the official website of Power BI, which features are provided by Power BI. How to use it, how to install it in our system. Tutorials are there. So all the information is available, but we are talking about what is the difference between Power BI and Tableau. The basic points we need to check is time complexity, cost efficiency, charts, filters, and calculations. Connectivity with the cloud. Now let us discuss these points. Here, the first point comes connectivity. Connectivity of tool with data sets. If we are talking about Tableau and Power BI, the connectivity of Tableau is very good with its environment, means AWS environment. The data which is in platforms of Amazon. Here A stands for Amazon, W stands for web services. So the big data sets such as Redshift is perfect to connect with Tableau. We can collect lot of data sets. We can also connect Excel data. PDF data, JSON data, and lot of. So this was the main option to use with Tableau, that is cloud data from Amazon. But in case of Power BI, its environment support Microsoft services. So we need to use Azure services to connect cloud data with Power BI. So these both the services, AWS and Azure, both are good. According to our company need, we will choose any one tool out of these two. The next point is level of detail. Level of detail and size of our data. If our data is very much big, you can say it's having millions and billions of rows, then Tableau will be the best for you. And for small data and intermediate data, Power BI will be good fit for you. So overall summary is that if you are having a big data set with real time changement, you will be using Tableau tool. Then next point is cost efficiency. As a beginner, you need to think about the cost efficiency of tool which you are trying to learn. So here we have a lot of tools in Tableau itself. Tableau provides a lot of services differently for your personal use, for your company use, and for client use. Personal use of Tableau, the personal account is called Tableau Public. It is totally free for all, so it will cost $0. And in case of Power BI, you need to do lot of activities, lot of sign-ups, then you can use it free. But in case of big data, in case of big data or big team, Tableau will be Tableau will pay you, will billing you high, but Power BI will be cost effective in this case. So these were the points to determine, to check before learning a tool in case of data analytics, data visualizations. There are a lot of differences in dashboards, also in charts, which we will be making in these tools. The major differences in charts will be discussed in next class. Thank you for the day.